Hey there, gang. It's Kim George here from YourChicGeek.com, and I want to welcome you to a brand spanking new video. How y'all been? How's everything been going? I hope it's been going all right. Listen, today's video, I'm really super duper excited about this because one of the questions that I get all of the time is, Kim, what are you using to create your puzzle and your activity books that you're selling on KDP? So what I wanted to do was to introduce you guys to a suite of different tools that you can use. These are some tools that I highly recommend using. I love them. Like I said, I use them, and these tools are just phenomenal. And they really do shortcut the process and make the process of creating different activity books and puzzle books on KDP a whole lot easier. So before we dive in, I would love for you guys to please like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff to help push this video through the YouTube algorithm. And for those of you that are looking for some ideas of some books that you can publish, and maybe you're trying to figure out, which ones to do, you want to get some information on that, I have a swipe file and list of over 200 low and medium content book ideas that you can download. The link is going to be below. I also have a free masterclass as well that talks about the 3 steps that I use to go from pretty much crickets to over 6 figures in royalties with publishing low and medium content books. So you can check out that masterclass. The link is going to be below, as well as a link to my newsletter in case you want to get tips, tricks, see some of the behind the scenes and some of the things that I'm currently working on right now in the business. But let's go ahead and let's dive into this video. Hey gang, so I decided to pop on camera again. This has been I've been kind of on a roll, right? I've been on a roll. So I wanted to hop on and to share this information with you guys and to show you guys really quickly this tool and to just talk about, my backstory and how I got into the game of publishing activity books and puzzle books as well. So when I decided on last year, I really decided to pivot. I really wanted to do some different kinds of books that I could price a little bit more for and get more royalties from. And I started doing the research and I saw that these are some of the books that you can definitely do this with. Granted, given how you put the books together, how helpful they are and so on and so forth. So again, I made the pivot to doing publishing activity books for my book brand that I'm currently building on, and it really has made a world of difference in my royalties. And so in that process, I was like, you know what, I need to find something that's going to make this easier for me. I really need some kind of software application or something to speed things up because doing these activities and things by hand is just going to take forever. And so this is one of the tools that I absolutely love to use. And there is a collection of tools that are available with this specific platform. Now, this is from the team over at Cloud Dorka. They have a really, really great suite of tools that they've had. And in the past, I'm sure you guys have probably seen some of the videos that they've had where you kind of can get access to the tools individually. Well, now they are introducing a membership where you can get access to all kinds of different tools depending on the types of books that you want to create. So let's go through really quickly and I'm going to share with you guys what they have available. And then I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you some of my favorite tools and how it really does make the process easier as far as creating puzzle and activity books. So again, if you are trying to create anything as far as a puzzle book, an activity book, or even some kind of math related book, then they have the app for you. And it's all in their memberships. So let's go ahead and let's scroll down. They have a lot of information on this page here. But I want to go to the specific section here where you can kind of get a brief of what they have available. So as you can see here, they have access, or you can get access to things like a bilingual word search puzzle. So if you want to target this niche market, which is really an excellent opportunity, there's an opportunity for you to do that with this tool. They have a maze generator. This is one of my favorite tools to use. They have a cryptogram generator. This is a great puzzle that you can create as well. They have the shape or the word shape puzzles, which is really, really, really cool. And this is something that I can definitely see for kids, mostly for kids. Kids love little things like this, and this is something that you can definitely add to your puzzle and activity books to really amp things up and to really make them more fun for the children to use. They have an image word search generator. They have a coloring word search puzzle. This is one of my favorites. I'm actually going to show you guys how to use that. They have the Sudoku puzzle generator. I mean, they just have a lot of stuff in here. Okay, whole gamut of tools that you can use. So you can see it's trusted by 20,000 creators. But if we scroll down here to the bottom, I want to show you guys the difference in what they are offering. So as I stated, they used to sell the software applications for the puzzle books separately, but now they have a membership where you get to pay the one fee to get access to either the math puzzles that you can create or the puzzle and activity book apps that you can use. So we're going to go through this really quickly and I'm going to show you guys what is available. All right. So as you scroll down here, you can see that for the puzzle membership, you will get access to, and this is my absolute favorite. I will, have to be honest, this is my favorite because again, this is kind of this is more so of what I am focusing on right now. So you can get access to in the puzzle membership, you can get access to the regular word search puzzles, the shape word search puzzles, the international language version of that, the coloring word search generator, the regular maze search, all of these things are available in the puzzle membership, okay? And then over to the right here, they have the math membership. Okay, so this is separate. So there's two separate, and then you can get the one where you get everything. But I'm just breaking things down to show you guys the difference in case, for either or, in case you want to do one or the other, or if you want to do all. So the second membership level that they have is for the maths membership. So with the maths membership, you're going to get access to the things like the addition worksheets generator, the subtraction worksheets generator, multiplication, and the whole 9 yards. Okay. So again, there's a lot of different things that you can get access to with these tools. Now, if you say, well, you know what, I want it all and I want to be able to create all the things, well, there is something here for you. So with the charter membership, this is where you get access to all of the puzzle software. So this includes everything that will help you create puzzle and activity books, and also the math activity book. So there is something for everyone here. Like I said, for me, I'm mostly focused on the puzzles activity generators, because this is currently what I am focused on at the moment. But again, if you want to do math, you can do that, or you can do all. So either way, you're really getting a lot of value with these tools right here. You really are. And there's so many different things, like I said, that you could do. So here are the membership options for those of you who may be interested. So for the puzzle membership only, this is again where you get access to all of the puzzle book generators, or the puzzle generators and the solutions and all of that kinds of stuff. Like we just talked about, the mazes, the Sudoku puzzles, and all of those. And then the math membership is all of the math related kind of tools. You'll get access to that. Now, for the puzzle and the math memberships, you can get access to it for this week only for $47 per month. Okay. And again, this is just specifically for those types of applications. Now, if you want the entire thing, like I said, you want it all, you can get access to what's called the charter membership, where you'll pay $77. Now, originally it's $134 a month, but again, if you want, want to get this discount. Okay, so now we're going to come to the section where I'm going to show you guys the different membership options, and you can choose and pick which one that you want, depending on your needs and depending on what it is that you're wanting to do right now. So like I said, for me, I am focused more on the puzzle membership, okay? And I'm also focused on more puzzle books because that's what I'm really wanting to do right now. So if that is you and you want to do the same thing, then the puzzle membership is going to be the best option for you. So right now, for this week only, you can get access to this membership for just $47 per month. Now, if you want to create things like the math workbooks, I know you guys have probably seen like the math generators and the math workbooks for kids with a time test for division, multiplication, all those kind of books, then these are the tools that you will want to get access to. And this is also $47 a month if you just want access to these. Now, if you want everything, you want to get access to all of the tools, to include the puzzle membership tools and then also the math membership tools, then what you want to do is you want to get access to the charter membership. And so with this, you're going to be paying right now for just this week, $77 per month. Original price is $134 is what it's going to go back to. But for right now, this is at $77 per month. Okay. And this is for everything. Okay. So I just wanted to show this information to you guys, to help you figure out, which way you want to go. All right, guys. So one thing that I forgot to mention is that with these tools, one thing that you want to know is that there's multiple things that you can do with them. You don't have to just relegate them to using these tools just for ADP. You can also use them for other businesses. So for example, if you wanted to create activity sheets and things to sell on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad or PayHip, which is a digital shop that I use, or even your own website. You can do that as well. Now, what I wanted to do though is to show you guys really quickly the back end and what you'll see when you log in with the different apps, and then show you a couple of my favorites as well. So let's go ahead and let's jump over, and I'm going to show you guys that really quickly. All right, so here is what you can expect to see when you log into the puzzle apps. So remember, this is what I said that I'm currently focusing on, but these are all of the apps that are going to be available to you. So again, you have the bilingual word search, the coloring word search, the image word search here, Sudoku, cryptogram, shape word search, and then just the regular word search puzzles as well. If you're planning to do the math apps, this is what you will see for these. Pardon my what is this video here? But this is what you will see for these. So you have the fraction worksheets generator, the measurements worksheets generator, and these are all of the rest of the ones that you will see for these tools when you log in. Okay, gang, so we are over in the back end of one of my favorite tools. I'm going to show you around a couple of them that I love. One of them is the coloring word search. I think this is really a great tool, or a great tool that you can use to create puzzle and activity pages for children specifically. And so what you'll do, for example, is you're going to click on this button right here to pop over this template that you can then edit and make your own. So once this is popped into your workspace, we're going to make sure this blue square shows up. We're going to go over here to the right and click edit words. And this is where you can come in to add in your own words. So for example, if I didn't want to use any of these words, then what I can do is I can come in and add my own. So if I wanted apple, banana, pear, mango, these are fruit. So then I'm going to go ahead and click save to save these changes. And then now these words are going to be in this puzzle. So we've changed it. So what you can do from here is, you want to add a new page, you can click add page, or you can click clone to continue on the process to make a full book. Okay. That's done in minutes. And I think that is just so clever. Now, another app that I love, and this is one of the OGs for apps, is going to be the word search puzzle feature. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, Kim, what do you recommend as a word search tool? Well, this is going to be the one that you can use. And so what you'll do in this instance is almost the same. You're going to click on this little element right here to pop over your word search puzzle. From here, you're going to click on your puzzle. You're going to click on this little pencil icon, and then this is where you would come in order to add your own words into this list. Once you're done, you're going to click save to make sure your changes are saved. And then another thing that you can do that I love is that you can actually change the look and feel really quickly of this puzzle. So as an example, if I were to right click on this and I want to click open settings, and sometimes I have to click this twice, I've noticed that. Click this one more time. This should pop up. This is what we want. So you should see your word search settings. So this is where, guys, you can go in and really just update this puzzle and really make it something unique. So if I'm doing a word search as an example for children, I don't want to use, I don't want my grids and my columns to be as big and as tall and as little. I want them to be bigger. So for kids, for example, I would do a 10 by 10. So we're going to do 10 by 10 for the columns and the rows, and then I'm going to leave everything else as default, but you can change a lot of other different things. But I'm just going to go ahead and click update word search, and you can see that has been automatically changed. And so I absolutely do love that. And then you can drag this out to make this bigger, and so on and so forth. Okay. And then of course you want to go in and change and edit these words here. And then here again, you can add a new page, or you can clone this page and continue on the process. Now, again, what I like to do is, even with my word search puzzles, is once I create them in this app, I download them and I upload them into Canva, where I can then doctor them up, make them look pretty, and just make them look the way that I want them to look. So again, these are just a couple of apps that I absolutely do love. And then I also really love using the maze puzzle generator as well. It's super easy. And one other thing that I forgot to mention is that this app does make it easy to show your solutions. I forgot to mention that. So all you would do is click on show solutions, and you can select to tell it how many pages per solutions, or how many solutions per page you want to see. So in my example, I'm going to do 6. So I'm going to click generate solutions. And if I scroll down, these are all of the solutions, bam, right there. I can add these to the end of my book and I'm done. Now, another thing I wanted to mention is that all of these applications, guys, have training videos. There is a plethora of training videos, tutorials, all kinds of examples to show you how to basically use these tools. So you're not just going to be out there trying to figure out and scrambling, what do I do with this and how do I do this? No, there's plenty of tutorials. These guys have done an excellent job of making sure that you guys know exactly how to use these tools so that you can make the best products possible. So again, I just wanted to show you a couple of my favorites, and I wanted to introduce you guys to these tools. And this is something that I highly recommend if you want to get into the world of making puzzle and activity books that you can sell on KDP or elsewhere. So I'd love to know from you guys, what kind of questions do you have for me? Are you excited about this tool? Or what kind of puzzle books are you already creating? Or are you going to be using these tools to create your puzzle and your activity books? So please feel free to drop me a line below. Again, I'd love to hear your feedback, what you think about everything. And again, if you have any questions, let me know. And one last thing, as a bonus, I forgot to mention, you guys are going to get access to the puzzle book quick start guide and checklist. So I created this specifically to work with these tools and any other tool basically, but specifically for these tools, okay? To help you guys create your puzzle books. This is going to be only available for this week only as a launch special and a special bonus. So if you want to get access to this week, you can definitely click to download it. It's going to be there for you. But again, I'd love to know, what you guys think about everything. Are you excited? Are you already doing puzzle books? Are you going to be moving into doing puzzle books? Please let me know below. And you guys take care out there, and I will see you guys in another video. Okay? Bye.